Rory makes raspberry breakfast balls. Bouncing out of bed, Rory declares that today he will make his raspberry breakfast balls. Don't forget to give your hands a good wash with soap before you start, says Mum, smiling. Rory gets the scales while Mum gets the raspberries from the freezer. Rory weighs out the raspberries on the scale. Rory then carefully weighs out the oats, coconuts and sultanas and adds all the ingredients to the food processor. Finally, Rory adds 3 drops of vanilla essence. Everything is whizzed up and it turns into a pink sticky mixture. Whiz, whiz. Rory scoops up a tablespoon of chili pink mixture. Squish, squash. He rolls the pink mixture in his hands to make a ball, making sure that it sticks together well. Now it's the fun part! Rory rolls the balls in the extra coconut until it's completely covered. Rory keeps making balls and rolling them until he can count 14 balls. Rory enjoys the raspberry breakfast balls with his friends and family.